בימים האחרונים אני שוחחתי 3 פעמים עם הנשיא הנבחר דונלד טראמפ. אנחנו רואים עין בעין את האיום האיראני על כל מרכיביו ואת הסכנה שנשקפת ממנו.
Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, in a first, has accepted okaying the pager attacks in Lebanon. In a cabinet meeting on Sunday, Netanyahu said he gave his assent despite defense and political opposition. His office confirmed the sources. The pager and walkie-talkie attacks happened on Hezbollah in September. The operation also included the elimination of Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah. Netanyahu also said in the meeting he has had conversed thrice in recent days with US President-elect Donald Trump.
אלה היו שיחות טובות וחשובות מאוד. שיחות שנועדו להדק עוד יותר את הברית האיתנה בין ישראל לארצות הברית.
Netanyahu has fired his defense minister Yoav Gallant for the second time in less than a year. The Jewish nation has not taken public responsibility of the attacks despite Hezbollah pinning the same on its arch foe. In mid-September, handheld devices used by Hezbollah operators detonated 2 days in a row in public places. The attacks claimed 40 lives and 3,000 were wounded. Strikes have intensified since war broke out in Lebanon in late September. Hamas carried out its first attack on Israel in October last year, triggering the Gaza war. Hezbollah began low-intensity strikes on Israel in support of Hamas following Hamas's October 7, 2023 attack on Israel. Israel, in retaliation, escalated its air campaign against Hezbollah and later sent ground troops into South Lebanon.